Aloha! Once again, this is Lax here from North Phoenix. Welcome to my backyard orchard. A quick update on FMS, Florida Mamey Sapote. So if you guys remember, I have down below the link showing them soon after the planting. 2 months ago, during the spring season, I planted this guy. He was in 7-gallon, I remember. One thing I learned from Green Life when I was purchasing these plants, especially, I was told that this plant is going to lose all the foliages, that means the nursery foliages, and it's going to thrive again. So this video is all about, yes, absolutely, they are right. And what you see here, the foliages, if you look at, it's totally new. That all of them grew last like 30 days. So when you plant Florida Mamey Sapote or Mamey Sapote, if you're going to lose the foliages, even the plant was gorgeous when you plant, and even if you have this guy in a nice microclimate shaded spot in your yard, if you're going to lose the foliages, do not worry. Just give them time. Give her some time. It's going to come back soon. So once again, quick update. This is Florida Mamey Sapote, and within 2 months after the planting, what you see here is completely new foliages. Thank you very much. I'm going to keep you guys posted maybe during fall. And also, if you guys notice, the way I planted this guy is in a spot that is totally shaded. My oleander, the other side my white guava. So I don't think it requires such a shade or care like avocado. Anyway, thank you so much for all right, thank you guys. I bought it in 7-gallon. The tree looks good, healthy, and I learned that it's going to lose all the foliages sooner. So I started seeing that within 2 days, even after me putting B1, I do see the foliages are getting a little dark, maybe the sign of dropping. So I'm really looking forward for the foliages to drop completely and have the new one to grow.